In our fast-paced urban lives, we are often caught in a whirlwind of work, technology, and endless responsibilities. We are disconnected from nature, surrounded by concrete jungles, and feeling the stress of it all. This hectic lifestyle has taken a toll on our mental and physical health. We crave a sense of community, a connection to the earth, and a peaceful escape from the noise. That's where community gardens come in. These vibrant green spaces, cultivated by people from all walks of life, offer a solution to our urban woes. Community gardens provide a multitude of benefits. Spending time in nature reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. Community gardens foster a sense of belonging, friendship, and cooperation. Gardens help improve air quality, conserve water, and provide habitat for pollinators. Growing your own food can reduce reliance on store-bought produce and ensure access. Gardening is a form of exercise that helps improve cardiovascular health, strength, and flexibility. By joining a community garden, you're not just planting seeds, you're cultivating a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future for yourself and your community. Ready to grow? Join your local community garden today.